What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Today, we've got a ton of brand new Hot Wheels to unbox and get a close-up look at. We've got Hot Wheels 3-packs, 5-packs, 20-packs, as well as 4 mystery cars to unbox. Let's go ahead and get started. And we'll start it off with this 3-pack first. As you can see right here, let's go ahead and open it up and see the cars. First up is the 41 WILLYS, and this one's red with some nice flame on there and all chrome on the interior and chrome wheels. Next is the Fantasy Casting Diesel Boy. This one's got a big chrome diesel engine in there, as well as this kind of silhouette thing right there, and cool looking wheels to match it. Next up is the Ford GT LM. This one's red with gold wheels, big spoiler, and the nice stripe down the center. And here's our next 3-pack, and it looks like we've got 3 muscle cars in this one. Let's open it up. And first up is the 1970 Challenger, and I'm really liking this color, glossy look on there with the blacked out striping, blacked out wheels, and colored lip on those wheels as well. A very nice looking car. Next is the Plymouth Barracuda. This one's silver, and this one's sometimes known as the King Cuda. And check out that exposed chrome engine bay, chrome interior on there, blacked out wheels with the colored lip. 65 Mustang Fastback. This one's yellow, also with blacked out wheels, cool looking fastback down there, as well as these stripes that are spread out, but they look really nice, and it looks very lowered as well. On to our next 3-pack, and it looks like we've got some cool fantasy cars in this one. Let's open it. And our first fantasy car from this 3-pack is Midnight Auto. Midnight Auto's got glossy black paint on there with red flames on the side of it, chrome wheels, and a nice red base. Then we've got Shark Cruiser, and Shark Cruiser is in this cool looking green speckled paint job, and check out those chrome shiny teeth on Shark Cruiser, and he's got some cool looking see-through tires and wheel combination on there. And our third fantasy car from this 3-pack is the Governor. The Governor in this cool looking color, and check out the front of that one with those big grill on there, blacked out wheels with the colored lip and the number 5 on the side. On to our fourth 3-pack, let's go ahead and open this one up. And first up, we've got the 41 WILLYS. We've seen this one before. This is red with the yellow flames on there, chrome interior, and that big open projector on the front, as well as chromed out wheels. Next, we've got Diora 3, a cool fantasy casting, and this one's got that bike in the middle of it, kind of transporting it, as well as it looks to be maybe like a surfboard of some sort on the inside as well. Chromed wheels, cool looking gold paint job. And our last car from the 3-packs is the Ford GT LM. We've seen this one before as well. It's red with black stripes down the center, nice tamper work on the front, and cool gold wheels. Moving on to our 5-packs, and the first one that we have is the Car Meet 5-pack with 5 cool cars. Let's go ahead and open this. Our first car is the 2012 Corvette C6 Z06. This one's yellow, and it's got some sort of highway patrol of some sort logos on the side, as well as chrome wheels. And our next car is a Chevrolet Camaro, and this one's blue with gold wheels on there, and this one says Car Meet Security on the side. I like the look of this one with that push bar. Our next car is the 2010 Mustang GT. This one's red with gray wheels with some big writing on the side of it. Not much for tamper work on the front or rear, but a nice looking Mustang fastback. The BMW 2002 is our next car in the British racing green, all sparkled up with the OTTO on the side, blacked out wheels with the colored lip, and the nice BMW logoing on the side of it as well. The last car in the Car Meet 5-pack is the Datsun 510. This one's like a lighter gray color, black wheels. We've got the colored lip on them as well. Nice detail on the front and a cool little circle logo, as well as look at the tamper work on the body as well. Our next 5-pack is the Police Pursuit 5-pack, and we've got 5 cool cars in here. Let's open it up. Our first car from this 5-pack is the Corvette C6R, and this is a police version, obviously, and you can see the big spoiler on the back of it. Cool looking color, and I like the colored windows on there as well. Then we've got the 2007 Chevy Tahoe, and this one is an HWPD. This is red with the light bar on the top of it and white wheels to go, as well as that nice kind of tan interior on there. Next is the Enforcer, and this is a SWAT kind of off-road vehicle. You can see the kind of guns that it has on the side of it, as well as the big SWAT logo, and it's in a matte finish, as well as those big off-road tires on there. Very cool looking car. We've got a highway patrol car. It's Speed Trap, and this one is blue with the cool chrome kind of badge look on the front of it, colored windows on there, as well as colored wheels that are kind of chrome as well. Very nice looking. And our last car from the Police Pursuit 5-pack is Diesel Duty. Diesel Duty's in white. He's got the big exhaust on the side of it, as well as some equipment in the back, and big wheel on the back, a little bit smaller on the front, and it says Task Force on the side. And our next Hot Wheels 5-pack is the Hot Wheels Exotics 5-pack with 5 exotic cars. Let's go ahead and open it. And first up is the Cadillac ELMIRAJ, and this one is a big long coupe on there. I like the glossy paint job on there, cool looking front end and nice chrome wheels. Next, we've got the 2015 Jaguar F-Type Project 7. This cool convertible with a big spoiler on there, nice striping on the front and blacked out wheels. Next, we have the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. This one's in a nice looking blue color with white wheels and some nice tamper work on the side of it, as well as that big spoiler to go. And the fourth car from the Exotics 5-pack is the McLaren F1 GTR, one of my favorite cars of all time. Great looking tamper work, as well as the F1 logo on the top. It's orange with a big spoiler and gray wheels. And the last car from the Hot Wheels Exotics 5-pack is the Aston Martin V8 Vantage. This one in yellow with a black stripe down the center, good tamper work for the front headlights, and nice chrome wheels. And our last 5-pack is the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks 5-pack with 5 trucks inside. Let's open up and get a look at them. Our first truck is the 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor. This one's green with some blue tinted windows, nice raised up suspension, black wheels with a colored lip on them. 2017 Jeep Wrangler. This one's very glossy black with some nice green on the sides and bottom on it, as well as colored windows, and we've got some big wheels on there that are colored as well. Very cool looking off-roader. Next is the Custom 62 Chevy. This is a lowrider pickup that's red. It's got black wheels on there with a white lip on there. It looks like a cool looking cruiser. And our fourth truck is Dogzilla. This looks to be like a snow off-road vehicle, and you can see it's all white. It's got the white wheel tire combination on there. This is just an ultimate off-roading snow machine. And our fifth truck is the Off-Track, and this looks to be an off-road racing Baja racer. It's got that kind of lifted front suspension and the lowered rear. It's got the extra wheel on the back of it. Looks like it's fun off-road. Next up, let's open up some of our mystery cars. The first one right here, let's go ahead and open it. And our first car is the F1 Racer. Let's go ahead and get a look at this one. This one looks to be like Brazilian colors, like a yellow and green combination of colors with the number 6 on there. Nice looking F1 Racer. Next up, let's go ahead and open this one up. And this one is Mach Speeder. There is Mach Speeder. Mach Speeder's white with that big rear spoiler on there. Some nice colors to it, especially those wheels, and a nice green Indux on the front end as well. Next up, let's open up this one here. And this one is Track Ripper. There's Track Ripper. This is like a matte finish paint job on there. It's got the R on there, big spoiler. It almost looks like a souped up Viper. And our last Hot Wheels mystery car, let's go ahead and open this one up and see what it is. And this one is the 71 Mustang Funny Car. This is one of my favorite mystery cars this year. You can see the cool writing on the side of it, and it's a really cool looking Mustang Funny Car. The engine exposed right there in the middle of the car. Very, very nice looking. And our last Hot Wheels pack is this Hot Wheels 20 pack. Let's go ahead and open it. And our first car from this Hot Wheels 20 pack is the Governor. The Governor's in this kind of greenish color with the number 5 on the side and these cool, fast looking speed wheels. Next up is Fished and Chipped, and this one is in a maroon metallic color with gold wheels, and it's got some black Tampa-work striping on the side of it as well as on the hood. Then we've got this silver Mustang Mach 1 black wheels with the colored lip, and this is a glossy looking silverish gray color, and you can see even those slats on the back window. That's very nice. Next up is the 71 Maverick Grabber, and this one's got some 5-star wheels on it with some black striping down the side of it as well as on the hood right there, and on the side it's got the nice little Hot Wheels logo. 2018 Honda Civic Type R, this one all white, nice Tampa work on the front headlights, and look at all those spoilers on the back. It's a little bit messy looking, but still looks kind of fast. Indy Oval is up next, this white one with black wheels with the blue trim on the edge of the wheels, as well as that nice blue base on there, and it's got the little yellow driver. This one looks like it's winning some indies. Flash Drive is our next car that's up, and this one's got some nice white wheels on it and that big weird kind of spoiler type thing on the back of it. It almost looks like a transformer type of car. Driftstar is up next, and this one's all blue with the big Hot Wheels logo sponsorship on the front end right there. Blacked out wheels, this one's drifting around nicely. ROBORACE ROBOCAR is up next, this all-electric supercar without any person inside of it, white wheels, and it's got some red trim as well as a black small front diffuser bumper as well as the black on the back. Audacious is up next, and this little hot hatch with some Hot Wheels logos and writing on the side of it and the front. It's got a white interior with blue tinted windows. And I'm sure you guys could guess my favorite car of this 20 pack, it's the McLaren Senna. This one in orange with the black top and the gray wheels, that big spoiler on the back right there. Love this car. Mach Speeder with a very interesting Tampa work stamped all over it. It's got white wheels, that big spoiler running out the back of it. Triumph TR6, this one's white with a nice blue interior on there and gold wheels, and we don't see these wheels very often, but I really like them. The number 4 right on the side as well. Radical Racer is up next. This one is definitely radical looking. Look at the big exhaust coming out the sides of it, as well as those flames on the top and some colored tires. 2014 Corvette Stingray, this C7 Corvette, black wheels, a bronze look to it, very interesting color, and I like the Tampa work on the rear. This Camaro Z28 is a matte black with looks to be like a satin glossy finish to it, a very interesting color on there, as well as it's got some red outlining and red tinted windows with black wheels. Time Tracker is our next car, and look at the size of this rear spoiler on there. A very interesting design car with those colored wheels and some nice Tampa works on the side. Another variation of Midnight Auto out of all these cars that we've opened up today. This one's got some flame jobs on the side, and it's an interesting color with almost looks like a factory defect on the top of it. Very interesting. Monoposto is our next car, and this is kind of like a pink magenta look. I like the front end, and you can see the single seater of this Monoposto, and it's got those wheels that color match to the paint job. Very cool. And our last car from our 20 pack, and the last car that we've unboxed and opened today, it's a Corvette Stingray from the 60s. This one is the split window, so it has to be a 1963. I love this variation of Corvettes. In the comments section down below, let me know which was your favorite pack that we opened up today. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.